Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Mi 9 Lite, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just install Dolby On from Play Store, so you have to search right here Dolby On. And we have to install this app. Now we can open the app. Here we can skip, we can click not now. And by clicking this button right here, we're gonna start audio recording with way better quality than default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!